Okay, well, let's get started. Hi everyone. Today I will show you how to create a field service app in under 20 minutes. Right now I'm on the Snappii website and will show you how to easily and quickly create any mobile app you need. I will start from creating a new app right here. Snappii supports two different modes how you can create an app. One way is by using the Express mode. It's really easy. It allows to create apps in minutes, and we have a library of more than 200 templates you can reuse and customize to your needs. They fit in 24 industries. We also have a Guru mode, which is more sophisticated than the Express mode. It requires more knowledge, but at the same time it gives you enough flexibility. You can namely create any business app connected to your external databases or web services and have a total UI and UX control. Today we'll take a look at the Express mode. I will select it here. In this screen you can select one from 250 ready-made templates, but as we are creating an app for field service, I will select a specific category we have here, which is called field service. It will show you some templates we have which fit this category. At the moment there are 74 apps that you can customize that are inside that category. I will select our general field service daily log and will show you how you can quickly customize it to meet your specific business needs. To select an app, just click on it. Here you can see some screenshots from this template to get an idea how it looks on a mobile device and what can be customized. Also see some information about the app, what it does and how you can use it. Basically, this app allows to create daily reports in minutes, complete your own profile, edit reports, upload them to cloud drives and print, track working hours, make some notes and capture pictures. A lot of helpful stuff and you can further customize it to meet your needs. I will click select and continue here. The next step would be to select a specific color for your app. We have multiple color schemes here. You can select any of them and just keep using our default color scheme. Right now the app is being loaded. Here we go. This app is in Express mode and you can start customizing it right here. On the right you can see all tabs which are available in this app and can be customized. You can easily change the order of any tabs in the app by dragging and dropping them into desired position. You can also see some settings, some default settings available for any tab in the app. Let's review the settings which are available here. There are some tab settings which allows you to rename the tab. Let's call it logs. Let's update the icon. We have a library of icons. Just use any of them that fits your design. You also select who can use this tab. Right now this tab is available to any user, anonymous and logged in user, as well as to you as the app creator, or we call them app owners. For the logo settings you can upload a new custom icon and it will show up as a logo here. The daily report settings, again you can make some changes here like rename it, add a different email subject, add emails who will receive your daily reports. You can add multiple emails, one per line, and also select a file format here. Right now, if you upload a daily report and submit it, it will be created in 3 different formats like PDF, Excel file, and email body. In addition, we also support a Word document. You can track completed daily reports and edit them right in the app, or create PDF reports in the app. I will show you how to do it a bit later. Let's say that we want to customize the form which is inside daily report, as each of you may have its own custom layout or form fields, and you want to edit that form. Just hit that orange button right here. Now we are inside the Express Form Editor, which allows to create any form changes in seconds. This form consists of 2 pages. We can customize them easily. Let's say that in addition to the existing fields, we also want to capture more information, like we want to record video. Just one click and the video field was added to our form. We also want to capture audio. It's here as well. We can take pictures, add locations, sign and draw right in the app. Lots of other things you can add, really easy to use. You can also create a copy of the same element. So right now we have 2 sign and draw fields, and we can remove one of them by clicking that delete button. Right here on the right, you can add some specific changes to each field. You can rename it. Let's say we can say capture audio. And you see that the placeholder got changed here as well. Again, you can easily change the order of fields in the form. If you have a big form, then you can add more pages. Just click here and start adding any fields. You see that it's really easy and quick to add any fields you need. Once you are done, you can save the form and exit. I will also share my iPad screen so we could take a look at the form changes together and see how quickly and easily you can make changes and preview them on your own device. In addition to the existing features, you can add your own tabs from our library. Just click New Tab button, and it will show you all tabs which we pre-built for you. You can easily add any of them to your existing template or app. I will look for the same category, field service. It shows me some templates, some tabs I can reuse. Let's say that I want to add an invoice part to my existing app. I simply click on it, and here on the right I see some screenshots from this tab, as well as get some short information. What I can do with this tab, I can create invoices, perform calculations, and email my invoices as PDF and Excel documents. I can also edit them. Let's add this tab. Okay, here we go. You notice that the color changed to our existing color scheme, so we don't need to make any specific changes to make it in blue. The same way you can click Edit Form and add more specific fields to your invoice. Or you just leave our existing invoice and use it as is. Now I can save and run on a device. Upon the first save, you can edit the app name and save it. In the meantime, I will try to connect my iPad to show you how this app looks on a mobile device. Okay, it's being loaded right now. Well, here we go. So we can see the reports tab, the invoice part. Let's go inside the form and fill it in. Looks like I didn't save the changes. Let me try again. Okay, let me try again. Okay, well, I was using the wrong preview app, but now I'm in the right one, and we'll see all the changes I have made. Sorry for the delay. Okay, right here. And now we can save and edit it. Okay, well, my report was successfully saved, and now I can see it as a PDF document and share it with anyone. When I click share, it will show me some options like message, mail, and I can print it as well. I can do the same for invoices. I will just type in some required information here. I don't know the zip code. You can see that it has some inbuilt calculator. So you just type in quantity and the price unit, and it calculates the total for you at the bottom. You can also add a signature right here. It will calculate the subtotal. You can add tax and shipping cost. Add some notes and set a copy of this email to any email address. Let's click Save here. My report was successfully created, and now I see two different views. This one is an Excel file, and I can easily switch to PDF view as well. It has all information I have collected here. And again, I can share it or print it or upload to cloud drives if I have them installed on my device. I can also go to completed invoices and modify them here if needed. Let's go back to the editor. Once you think that you completed your app and tested it out on your device, you can publish the app. We have two options how you can publish it. The first option is a public app. It means that you can submit your app under your specific credentials to Apple or Google Play stores. And this app will be downloaded by any user in different countries. You can charge for your app and make it paid. Another way, if you want to keep your app using only in your company, inside organization, or you can want to share your app with a specific group of users, then just select the private app. In addition to publishing as a private app, you can type in the user's emails who will be invited to use the app. If you have multiple users, then you can upload that list of users right here. We have a sample for it. Just feel free to download it and upload your own users list. Now I hit Add and click Invite button. My invitation was sent to that email address. I will show you how it looks right here. So if you receive an email like this, it means that you were invited to use a specific app. And we also provide some steps how to use the app, what app you should download from Apple, Google Play Store, what email you should use to create an account in it. And every time you make any change, you can send a notification to your invited users and they will see the update. Namely, you can make any change in the form and let your invited users know about it. So when they open the app next time, they will see that update right away on their devices. That's really a cool feature if you want to use the app inside your organization. And a couple of words about the Guru mode. You can easily switch between Express and Guru. If you think that the settings which are given here are not enough for you and you want to have more freedom and customization, then just go to Guru mode. And here you can access more changes right here. In blue, You can see what changes I used for the express mode. In black is some new changes that you can customize in the Guru mode. We also provide some tutorials in videos how you can customize apps in Guru mode, as well as we have a user manual, which is a great helpful thing to provide answers to most of features we support. In Guru mode, you can basically drag and drop any elements right on the screen, and you will see some settings which you can customize and edit on your own. You can also put it into a desired position on the screen. You have more control over the app look and feel. And the same thing, you can submit and publish the app as a public or private app right here. Well, that's basically it. Now you can ask any questions you have. For this, you can raise your hand in the webinar, in the GoToMeeting, or you can use chat to type in your questions, and I will be happy to answer any of them. Just don't hesitate to ask me any questions you have about the platform and what app you're looking for and what changes you would like to make. What I showed you is for DIY users, so you can create an account on the Snappii website and you will get a 15-day trial you can use to create your own app. If you get stuck or you don't simply have time to create your app, you can send a list of requirements to support@snappii.com and we'll reply to them. Okay, well, I just received a question from Lorenzo. His question is, what is the pricing structure? Okay, for DIY, it's $5 per user per month, but if you have more than 10 users, then it's just $50 per unlimited users per month. If we talk about customized apps which you request to us, then the starting price is $1,000 plus $5 per user per month. Yeah, the price is per user and per app. If you have more apps, then the same structure should happen for any app in your account. We can go to the pricing page right now just to take a look at it. So right here. You can go to our pricing page and get more information about it. This is for the private app pricing. This is for a public app. So you can see that up to 10 users, it's $5 per user, or it's $50 per month for unlimited users. The user is the person who is using the app, basically. So if I have 10 people in my company who will use the app, then it means that you will need to pay for 10 users. Regarding the shared accounts, yeah, we can create apps which are used by many companies. we have a runtime data source which is available in the Guru mode. And in this case, each user, each company may have their own ID that will log in into the app and use their company ID, and this way they will use the same app, but information will be separate. This option is available in the Guru mode. I will show it really quick. If we go to data sources, here we can see the data sources which are currently used in this app. And for data storage scopes, we support global, local, and runtime. So the runtime is specifically for companies who want to share one app but access different information. You can also connect to existing web services or external databases by using our Guru mode. Okay, any other questions you have? Again, if you have any specific requirements, feel free to email support@snappii.com, and feel free to attach a document which outlines your requirements or mockups you have, or in case you have any questions, also please feel free to let us know about them. Okay, well, thank you for attending. Oh, I have a question from Melanie. Melanie, I will unmute you.
Okay. Can you hear me?
Yeah, we can.
Okay, I wanted to ask a question. What if you have specific users and you want those users to only see their accounts? How will I do that?
We have a user management for it. Right here under user management in the Guru mode, you can upload your own predefined users list. I will download a sample to show you how it looks. Okay, here we go. You can upload a similar Excel file which will list all email addresses as well as user types. You can see the user type is user, administrator. You can type in your own options here like manager, supervisor, etc. Then you can upload that list right to the predefined users from your desktop. And once you do that, you can go to the tabs, open the settings, and go to user permissions. Right here, you see some default options like anonymous, logged in user, app reviewer, and app owner. You will also see your own custom options like admin, user, or manager, just anything you will specify. If you enable it for, let's say, app owner only, that means that this tab will only be visible to the app owner.
Okay.
or you can make it available to any type of users, like for anonymous. But if I log in, I will not see this tab. So this way you can just specify access for different groups of people.
Okay. Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, any other questions? Okay, guys, again, thank you very much for attending, and don't miss our next webinar, which will take place next Tuesday, same time. And send your questions, if you have any, to support@snappii.com. We will help you create your first mobile app. Thank you. Bye.